Jai Hind students, I am Kanchan. I am this time with your LC chapter of history subject. This is additional topic. The name of the topic is why do we learn history. So we learn history to understand society, to know about the changes, and also to preserve the things and to note down what should not be done. And also it helps to understand the world events, and it was also what was the world before so many years ago, thousands of years ago, and also what is right now. And it also tells us who we are, means about our roots, a story of past happenings, and it helps to understand the origin of human being. And history also helps us to understand culture and its vastness and diversity it covers. And we also learn many types of cultures and traditions people followed, what type of traditions they had followed, what type of cultures they had, and how society developed, how civilizations they developed, and how did they start their agriculture, and what the incidents happened in our history. History helps to understand changes, as we know how people, communities, and the world, and they would live before, and what the changes occurred after. And history also helps to become good citizen, as we know about the essential skills that are required to be a good citizen. And also we know our root, what is our root, and about cultures, about diversities, and about our civilizations they developed, and about the incidents, about the happenings. And also we learn from those happenings, from those incidents, and to be careful about that. So it is about Winston Churchill's statement, those who fail to learn from history are doomed to repeat it. It means he wants to say here that the people who just fail to learn from their history, means the mistakes that the mistakes that were done by the people, and we are not supposed to repeat. So we also learn not to repeat those mistakes. And here, in short, history is interesting because it helps to learn a lot about the past, about this world, about the changes, and it also helps us to become a good citizen and to know about many cultures, traditions, and many incidents that had happened in our history. The first question you have to write yourself. First question is, why do we learn history? So you will have to write yourself, and you can write. Now, second question, how can we know about the different cultures of the world through history? History is a deep-rooted knowledge of the past. It gives knowledge of the incidents that happened in the past, and we also read about many cultures, traditions, civilizations, and their what type of traditions they had followed, and also about their living, the way of living they would live. So we come to know about in this way because we read about cultures, about civilizations, and about the development of the civilizations. So we come to know how it happened in the past. It is about that I told previously, that we learn mistakes that people had done previously. So we don't supposed to repeat. And history helps to change the world. Yes, history gives us the opportunity to learn from past mistakes. It helps to become us more compassionate as people, and more impartial as a decision maker. So we have, when we decide something, we have to very careful learning from our past, that in what ways we have to be alert and in what ways we have to be aware about. So it also develops our ideas. And the next question, can we become a good citizen of can we become a good citizen after studying history? Yes, we become a good citizen because we learn a lot, because we learn moral values, we learn about ethical standards and that are needed for us, and we also learn about the qualities of a good citizen, so that we can be a part of public life, and we can make our country leading country, a well developed country. So it is about this. We come to know about the invention of fire, and we also can imagine what could be the life of the earliest people without fire. How was life without fire? And also we can know how the life was having so many difficulties in previous time, and how much our people would have suffered, and how many difficulties they had faced. Also we learn about the ways that our earliest people, they started farming, they started rearing the animals, and gradually they started to live in groups, and then villages, and then cities. And in this way we are this time as well developed, and we are at this time having so many facilities. But these facilities were not supposed to be before, as in many years ago, and they had to suffer a lot as they didn't have their means of transports. So they would have to travel on foot, and they would have to face many difficulties during their journeys. So this is all about that. And apart from these things, we also learn many incidents that had happened, and due to those incidents we also learn about the mistakes, and that should not be repeat, and we learn how to become a good citizen, and how we can be a skilled citizen of our country, so that we can make it a well developed country. Okay students, this is the first chapter of your LC. I hope you would have understood well and try to write answers. Jai Hind students.